goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual, it's inexplicable.
Hey guys, welcome back to Happy Hair Reviews. So I have another new unit for you, and this is also from the Bobbi Boss. This one's called the MLF384 Lyrica, and it's in the color 4. This is what the stock card's looking like. This is a Swiss lace unit. It doesn't seem like there's free parting. It just looks like there's a singular 3-inch deep part. So let's take it out, pop it on, and see what this one's looking like. So this is what it's looking like. This is the Bobbi Boss Lyrica in the color number 4. It's pretty long. It does not look like it comes with baby hairs. Oh, actually, yeah, I see a couple baby hairs in there, so that's definitely always a plus. There's some thin baby hairs up front. You have this 3-inch parting space right there, which, to be honest, I'm not used to at all. I feel like I've been doing this whole 13x6 and 13x4 parting, so it's gonna be weird to get used to going back to just one singular parting space. The inside of the cap has 2 combs at the crown, 1 at the nape, as well as your adjustable straps. So let's pop this bad Larry on and see where we can go with it. So this is how it looks with the lace on, and if you look at this, huh? You kind of can't even see it too much, so that's pretty fantastic that it blends in that much that you kind of can't even see it while the lace is still on. And this is what the parting space is looking like. It's pretty decent. And plus, I know with curly hair, it's not really such a necessity to have such a huge parting space, so I feel like we can make this one work. I'm going to cut the lace off and see if I can do something with this. Okay, so this is how it looks with the lace off. Still, I'm wishing that there was a little bit more parting, even though this is manageable. And then also the baby hairs kind of got lost, so I'm gonna have to go in and find them. So let's just put some powder, try to find the baby hairs, and see what we can do with this bad Larry. So this is pretty much my final look. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. Instead of just having it straight down, all I did was take 2 pieces from the front and put them in the back in a little ponytail. Kind of giving that like milkmaid vibe, that all out. It definitely gives me those scissor vibes. So it sits pretty flat on my head, which I like a lot. Straight out the box and on my head it seemed a little bit lumpy, but after manipulating it some, it didn't seem like you have to put too much work in it. The lace looks very nice. Like, look at that. I didn't really have to, it's not like I had to pluck it or anything. I literally just put the concealer. I like how these baby hairs, they are like very thin. You kind of have to search to find them, but I like the look that it gives when you sort of pull them out. So I can show you what it looks like not in the ponytail also. So this would be just everything out. I like it both ways. I was just putting it up to do something a little bit different. Just for those people who may not necessarily want all this hair in their face, but I love big hair, so I would not mind having all this in my face. Okay, so this is all the hair to the front. It's pretty long. My belly button is right here. This goes all the way to my hips. I do like that it gets thinner as it goes, so it's very full from the top to about boob length, and then it thins out, so it gives it a very natural look. So this is it to the side. And this is it to the back. It's pretty long. This actually goes to my butt, you guys. Like, not even above, literally almost to the middle of my butt. But I feel like the fact that it thins out gives it more of a natural look and doesn't make you look all crazy. I do like it out. It reminds me of SZA, and I love SZA, and I love the way that she just has this this free hair vibe. Like, I like it a lot. So the texture of this is, it's very soft, but it's like a soft yaki. Not getting any tangling or shedding. One of my favorite parts about this unit probably is the parting space. I do wish there was more, but I do like that you don't have to put in work for it, and they made it look very natural. You do have to search for the baby hairs, but it's not anything too crazy, and if you wanted to, you probably could just wear it without them. I just kind of try to find them and stuff to try to make it look as natural as possible. Oh, also, so if you have a bigger head, don't even try it, honey. I'm just trying to save you some money. Like, I have not adjusted the straps at all, and I was kind of struggling a little bit, like straight out the box, trying to fit it on my head, and even with the lace off, like, I have it behind my hairline some. But yeah, if you have a bigger head, I'm telling you, do not even try it. It may be beautiful, but it is not worth wasting your money on something that's not going to fit your head. So this is one of those units that's going to be small to medium head friendly. I wouldn't even push it if you have a larger head, and I'm sorry, because this is beautiful. But so I do like this one a lot. I actually like it way better than the Brooklyn one that I just reviewed. Not only because of curl pattern, but because just the Brooklyn I feel like was just too thin for me. I'm not a thin person here at all. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I like it a lot. I would get it again. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for checking out my channel again. I hope to see you soon. Like and subscribe if you're a fan of any of my content. Comment if there's anything you want me to pick up, or if there's anything I missed. And I hope to see you again. Thanks. Bye.